There are many indications you can treat with a dorso-lateral elbow splint. It can be used for radial head or non-displaced midshaft humerus fractures, as well as for elbow strains and sprains or occult olecranon fractures. The application is also common for bicep tendon repairs or ulnar nerve transpositions. To start, measure dorsally from the metacarpal heads to the elbow and further to 2 or 3 finger widths distal to the axillary region. Then, cut the desired length of the splint. Place the splint on the patient's arm, allowing the splint to overlap the metacarpal heads. Now, you fold the splint at the elbow to achieve a 90-degree angle. Mark at the 2 edges where the splint overlaps. Then, you cut and remove the top layer of the padding between the marks, creating a square of exposed substrate where the material was folded. Activate splint with water. Afterwards, refold the splint as you did before with a dry splint. This enables the exposed substrate to laminate together. Round the edges of the splint to get smoother edges. Reposition the splint on the patient. For a strong immobilization, anchor the bandage at the wrist and go through the web space twice. Wrap up the arm by overlapping the bandage by 50%. At the elbow area, secure the splint with a wide loop from forearm to humerus. Do this twice and fixate the end of the bandage. Start with the second bandage and secure the elbow area with it. At the end, fixate the bandage with tape or a hook and loop fastener. Make sure to position the elbow at a 90-degree angle, or as prescribed by the physician.